Hello guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are watching me from. I greet you with your time, guys. So guys, I will be eating native food today, guys. So guess what, I know you're already seeing it there in the oven. I'm going to be taking plantain. Wow, I'm taking plantain. As you can see, it's inside the oven already. Is inside the oven already, getting ready. So this is the plantain. For those of you who doesn't know plantain, this is the plantain that I put inside the oven right there. It's actually getting ready. It's getting ready now. It's soft already. It's soft already. Yes. So this is my plantain, and what I will be using to eat this plantain is I'm actually using native I will be using my fresh pepper here and my onion. This is my onion, and I'm using palm oil. I told you guys it's native food I'm eating. You know, sometimes we need to eat something different. So I will be pouring my palm oil inside. Pour my palm oil inside. This, guys, you need to test this. So good. So pour my palm oil already, as you can see. So I'm going to add a little salt. This is my salt. I'm going to add a little of the salt inside. That's what I'm going to use. So let me bring the plantain, because I know it's ready. 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 Let me just bring them out. Just bring them out and switch. Turn it off. So, all right. So guys, this is my plantain. Don't mind, you know the kind of plantain we used to have in Europe, you know. So we just have to manage it the way we see it, but it's so good, guys. It's so good. Let me open it well so you can see it. This is black plantain. Black plantain. It's not ripe, black. So guys, I'm going to eat with it this one. Let me use the plantain to mix this thing very well. I'm going to use it to mix it very well. The plantain is just scattering inside. Use it to mix it very well. Like, can you see that? Guys, this food is so good. Go and give it a try. Yeah, this is how we eat it those days, you know. So guys, eat with me, eat dinner with me. This is what I'm taking for dinner. So guys, this is so delicious. Yummy. Yummy. Can you see that, guys? I have to get the first one, so I can use to take that off. Yummy. So yummy. Can you see that, guys? So This is my native food though, guys. That is it. Can you see it? It actually goes well when you can smoke the fish and put also. For me, I don't have time. I just return from work now, so I just do the one that will be so fast for me. So next time I'm going to do it, I'm going to smoke the fish also. Just the way I did the plantain. So I'm going to smoke it and put inside. Guys, when you taste it, oh my God. You keep eating it every day. So guys, where is it going? For those of you just come across this channel, this is Stella Odudu's vlog. The one and only Stella Odudu's vlog. Any other Stella is a counterfeit, guys. Go and check out for me. Check out for me. So, I want to appreciate all my subscribers, my fans out there. My old subscribers, God bless you all. Your girl always appreciates you guys. You guys are the best. Always, always. I can't stop appreciating you guys. Because without you guys, I can't be here. For sure, for sure. And for my new subscribers, God bless you guys. God bless you. God bless you. And for those that are coming also, my palace is open for everyone, guys. My palace is open. You can join the family. Join the family. Join the family. Join Stella Odudu's vlog. And you will never regret coming to this family. God bless you as you come. And guys, as you are subscribing, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. It's very important. Don't forget to switch it on. Put it on all. So you get all my notifications. When I upload a video, I go live, you will be notified. So guys, God bless you for always stopping by, for always watching my video. You guys are the best. I appreciate you all so much. You guys are the best. Much love to you guys. Much love, much love. Guys, I hope you guys are eating with me as I'm eating now. I hope you are eating with me. Hope you are eating with me. It's so delicious. Just give it a try. Plantain and palm oil, onion and pepper. Goes well. It goes so well. It goes so well, guys. I can't do without pepper. I love hot. I can't do without it. Can you see that? I can't do without it. Like, can you hear the sound of it? Can you hear the sound of it? This oil, you see, go one side. I'm done with the oil now. So guys, that is it. And you guys, oh, I wish you are here to join me and eat this. Oh my goodness, I wish you can join me to eat this, guys. Oh my goodness. I actually love this kind of food so much. I do eat it a lot. Due to the nature of my job, I don't have time anymore to actually go for what I really want. But I will just be trying to at least create a little time for myself. It's not easy. Even I don't even have time for myself. Just imagine. Just imagine that, guys. I don't even have time for myself anymore. God is going to help us. So it's not easy, like. It's not really easy. Sometimes when I just got home, I just took my bath, I just dropped my phone I just put it on plugged. I slept off. That is all. Before I see myself in the alarm will wake me up. My alarm will wake me up. It's not easy, guys. Sometimes I don't even sleep. I don't even eat before going to bed. Though. I don't even eat. So it's not really easy, guys. But the Lord is our strength. The Lord is our strength. So thank you guys for always coming to me, watching my video, always sharing my video, for always showing support to this channel, the Ladudu's vlog. Much love to you. I love you guys. You guys are the best. I love you all. Like seriously, guys. If I can open my heart and show it to you guys now, you guys will know how much I love you. You know, the way this plantain is just going there. Oh my God, I wish I can have the chance to be doing this all the time. Oh my goodness. So guys, much love to you. Love you all. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Bye bye. See you again in my next video. I always stop by to check on your girl as usual. Check on me. Much love to you. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.